You know, I was making my snack mix this morning and I thought, well, it's pretty simple, but you might want to see me do it. So what I take is, I got some wheat checks, some baked naturally flavored cheese crackers, and most of these products I'm getting from Aldi's, and mini twist pretzels. Oh, one other ingredient also. I use the Flavor Blast Extra Cheddar Goldfish baked snack crackers. Now, Aldi's, they have the penguins, but the goldfish actually had a better nutrition reading than the penguins did. There's less sugar in the goldfish and more in the penguin. All right, but anyways, I use these four things to create like a check mix, snack mix, if you will. And I don't do any of that melted butter, Worcestershire, pour it over the top, mix it around, because there's plenty of flavor and salt and seasoning in this mix. All right, so let me just show you real quick my portions I like to do. So I like to do, and this can be loose ones, loose portions. Let's do like a cup, 2 cups of the goldfish baked. You don't have to have the cheddar blast, but I know my kids like it. All right, wheat checks. You can do rice, but I like to do the wheat checks to get a little bit more in them. That's gonna be 2. All right, got the wheat checks in there. Let me just get this all put back in and put up. All right, so then we got the white cheddars. We just prefer the white cheddar, and it has a different color, a little bit different flavor than the yellow ones. Otherwise, you wouldn't need the goldfish and the cheddar crackers, right? Just trying to create a little bit different taste. And do 2 of these. All right. And what I do too, I usually pack them back down in the box, and then I seal up the goldfish. Well, got to get all the air out of it. Kind of hide it in the same box, and then I'll hide this way in the pantry just so people won't be snacking on it when I don't see them. All right, and the last ingredient is the pretzels. Now this one I do different. They're a little bit bigger, but they're mini, so I do 1, 2, 3. 3 cups of those. So the pretzels are 3 cups. Everything else is 2 cups. I mean, and you can portion it the way you want to, but that works for me. I just get in there with my fingers, mix it all up. It's got plenty of flavor. Don't need to add any extra butter or calories to it. All right, so this is what we do. I got a little scale over here. I get little bags. Of course, you saw me. It's already bagged up like this. A little bit of mix. Usually about 2/3 of a cup is gonna weigh between between 1.3 and 1.5 on the scale. And that's about how much the potato chips are and the other snack mixes that you buy prepackaged are. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, 1.3. Oh, my battery is low. I'm gonna change it out. But anyway, probably that's why it cut off on me to begin with. But I pretty much got this down to a science, and you will too. So here it is, about another 2/3. Bag it up. All right, then I do a whole bunch of bags. So you see all these? Got a whole bunch of bags. Roll them up, get the air out of them. You say, oh, I don't have enough time for all that. That's okay if you don't. You can do a big bag of it and then do out small portions like, let's look in here. Do out some more small portion cups. If you got those in your kids' lunch thing, or if you carry it to work yourself. Small portion cups. But anyways, that works good. I usually take an empty box, usually the biggest one, which is usually the cracker one. I just line up my bags in the bottom of the box and fill it all the way up. And that's it. 1.3 to 1.5 ounces. That's a little bit more than what you get in most prepackaged stuff. Probably healthier, and my kids like it.
Oh yeah, it's amazing.